Cleaning this toolbox brings back some memories. I mean, I remember buying this thing. It was about 2003, 2004 when I bought it, and I was younger, a lot younger. I'm only 47 now, so don't think I'm that old, but I was working at National Tire and Battery. Worked with a whole bunch of nice guys out there in North Richland Hills, Texas, I believe it was. It's either North Richland Hills or it was in Grapevine, I'm not sure which one. But I remember buying it because I loved the color. The color of the yellow Terminator Mustang was one of my favorite cars at the time, and I really wanted one. I wanted it in yellow. I just thought it was the baddest car around. I had a Z28, many of them. I've had several Mustangs, but I wanted that Cobra. Haven't bought one yet. I will eventually. But anyways, 20 plus years later, this thing is still in the shape I bought it. Minus a few little nicks and dings. I mean, this thing is just holding up. I pulled it out of the shop because we use this as a detail box. We put all our chemicals in it. As you can see, somebody spilt some stuff in there. It's not coming off. It's on there. It's not moving. But all the loose debris and crap that was on it is now cleaned off. So I just had to share. You buy quality, it lasts. I bought it, I believe, $400 or so at the time. They sold for over $1,000. I'm a big fan of big, nice toolboxes, but I'm not a big fan of spending Snap-on money. This was on the Snap-on truck. They took it in on trade. I bought it off of them, and I've enjoyed it since. Anyways, I'm rambling. I appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.